Okay, so these are the extended wheel studs that I'll be using from Gktech. They actually have a chart for what you need for your vehicle, so it's pretty cool. Hey guys, just a quick update. It's been kind of a shitstorm. When I was putting in these wheel studs, one of the lug nuts that came with the wheel stud installer actually ended up stripping one of the wheel studs that I had. I'm trying to focus there. So I had to hammer it back out and order some new ones from Gktech, and they've already came in the mail, so super fast from Gktech, thank you. But this was the holdup. But now I went ahead and got the 5 installed. So there we go. And then now we have to do 3 more. Also, we're gonna be using this because we have 10mm spacers to put on there, like that. And hopefully that'll give us a little more poke. And in the fronts, it's gonna help clear the upper control arm. Alright guys, so I think we got the rubbing issue resolved. That's a 10mm spacer right there. And if you look back here, no more rubbing. Hooray! Because before, this inner wheel was rubbing on that upper control arm right here. But after the 10mm spacer, no more rubbing. Hooray! Yay!